A television screen is 40 inches, meaning the diagonal length is 40 inches. If the length of the TV is 23 inches, what is the height of the TV? Okay, so let's try to make a little diagram here. Okay, so we got our TV, looks a little something like this, right? Just a basic rectangle, I guess. Now remember, if it says the TV is 40 inches, that's this guy here. Okay, that's going to be this diagonal here. And as you can see, right, I mean, now we have a right triangle, right? So this length is going to be 40 inches, and the length is 23. So we're going to call this guy 23, right? So, I mean, we can disregard this triangle in terms of trying to answer this question here, right? But let's call this A. This here is going to be B, and we know that the hypotenuse is going to be C, right? So we have this right triangle, which means we can use the Pythagorean theorem. In this case, B is going to be the height. Okay, so the Pythagorean theorem says that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So we'll just plug in the values that we know. 23 squared plus b squared is equal to 40 squared. And from here we can calculate these guys, right? 23 squared is 529, and 40 squared is 1,600. So using a little bit of algebra, we'll move or subtract the 529 to both sides. Okay, which cancels out the 529. So we get b squared in this case is equal to 1071. Okay, now to solve for b, we need to take the square root of this. So b is going to be the square root of 1071. Okay, and then when you do this in your calculators, and in this case, we'll just round this to 2 decimal places here. Okay, so we get 32.73 inches. Okay, so in that case, that'll be the height of this guy.